Alright guys, I finished putting the new screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy Exhibit 4G phone from T-Mobile. It's a pretty good phone. It lasted me for a while, and it's a great phone. It's a 4G. And what I did was I took the old screen protector and I attached it to this yellow sticky note with some scotch tape right there, and I use that as a template, and I put it on top of the larger screen protector for the Galaxy, the new S4, which is a larger screen, and I pretty much just cut around it, and this is what we have. There's still a few air bubbles in there, and from what I understand, it's just dust and obviously trapped air, but it should protect the screen pretty well. It's on there now. So, and like I said, this is a nice little phone, and if I ever have to fall back on it and start using it again, I would, but I'm letting my brother use it. So that's pretty much it. And I cleaned before putting on the screen protector, I cleaned it using Armor Auto Glass Cleaner, and I just put a little bit on the screen and just used a regular napkin, and then this microfiber towel, and just to buff out the glass on the screen here. And came out pretty decent, so it's not bad.
You were the only mod,
and
I was the only mod, so as long as it stays between like all
my brother, he's going from this LG phone from Net10 that he's had for a while, and it's time to upgrade. So, alright, thank you.